This is Nobo 2010 Sharp I channel. We are here at Orlando Stadium, Orlando Pirates 2, Polokwane City 0. My brother, how's it?
I'm good. How are you doing?
Good, thanks, man. What's your name? Where do you come from?
I'm Pungos. I'm from Durban, Umlazi.
Pungos. Yeah. What's your take on the game today?
Beg your pardon?
What's your take on the game? Like, what's your take on the game?
It was a very good game from the guys. The guys gave their all, and the supporters, they came in numbers, of which is a very important thing to do. So, and I think if we keep on coming in numbers, we give that team the spirit and momentum to keep going until the last minute, 94, 95 minute. So the guys gave their all. They did well. We came back with the victory off to the semi-finals. So yeah.
And the changes that were made, how do you feel about them?
I'd say the coach made really good changes, although some of them surprised the fans, like taking out Sumbule, putting in I think it's Mariko, the new guy.
Yeah.
Marco, we never knew how he plays. Mara, when he got there, he just gelled.
Well,
one thing I saw about him is that he's not used to a full capacity stadium, a crowd way.
Oh yeah. Stage fright, yeah.
Yeah, but then I saw the guy once he gelled well with the team, he'll give us everything we need. So I salute the guys. They played very well. They give me spirit to just keep on coming to stadium attending, even if it's in Durban or Mpumalanga or wherever.
Anyway, you had a clean sheet goalkeeper of the season. How do you feel about that?
As a goalkeeper in my younger years, I say I'm proud of the guy. Because the guy was criticized during the end of the season. They said he made silly mistakes and everything. But the guy, whenever he gets on the pitch, he gives his all and he does everything for the team.
Talk about criticism. What's your message to the supporters who always criticize their players when they are not doing well, but when they are doing good, they start cherishing them? I'd
say give Iron Dog, Mr. Koza, a chance. He knows what he's doing. Give the coach a chance. He knows who he's selecting and for what reason. So no need to criticize the players. At least okay, I'll just give one for example. They've been criticizing Radio Pane for quite some time. But Radio Pane, he's a good player. We know him from the TDC, scoring a lot of goals. The injury just was a minor issue for him. But the guy will come back. For all the players, stop criticizing. The reason they are in Orlando is because they deserve to be there. So yeah.
Thank you so much, my brother. All the best.
Thank you.
For your soccer updates, visit www.nobo2010sharpi.com.